morning, ma.
Good morning.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Ajazina.
So, who are you to Gawat?
She's my sister.
What do you have to say about her?
She's a loving person. She's everything. She's a go-getter. She's everything. As in, I don't even know what to describe her. She's just a special being. Let me put it that way. She is a special being. Yeah.
So, what do you miss about her?
I miss everything, like everything, because our death is just a shock to everybody. As in, we share so many memories together, so many events together, so many secrets, so many things together. It's just that it's just so unfortunate that our death is just something that really shocked everybody. So I don't even know what to say. I'm just short of words.
Okay, I'm very sorry. Please, can you share with us your childhood experience with her?
Yeah, we started from Lagos Island. We're together. We go out together. Sometimes we dress almost like together. But me, I don't use a hijab. You know, she has her own unique way of doing her music with her hijab, and we share so many things together. And she's a lovely person. Even after her death, she's still a lovely person. As you can see now, we are here for another prayer. We started prayer day one that we lost her, and the prayer still continue because she's a prayerful person too. So we have to give her what she loves to do.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my brother.
Can you please introduce yourself, sir?
My name is Teslim of Akaba.
Okay, so who are you to Gawat?
A fan, a friend.
Can you tell us the relationship between you and Gawat?
She was a very lovely sister to me before this sudden incident that just happened last week. So a lover, a sister. So we were friends before the sudden death.
So what do you have to say about her?
What?
What do you have to say about her?
She was so wonderful. That's all I can say about it. The word wonderful, if you deep down to the meaning, she was so wonderful to every one of us.
Okay, what are you going to do in her legacy in remembrance of her?
May God assist every one of us. So at least why we are here today is part of what we intend to do. So may God help all of us.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ sà.
Ẹ káàárọ̀.
Sà, ṣáà lè mọ kí lórúkọ yín sà?
Orúkọ mi Alhaji Ali Balogun Surajudeen.
Báwo lè jẹ́ sí olóògbé sà?
Mo jẹ́ ọ̀gá ẹ̀, èmi mo kọ́ níṣẹ́ orin.
Láti ìgbà wo sà?
Ó ti wà ní 60 years ni mo ti kọ́ níṣẹ́ orin. Ó dẹ̀ dúró sọ́dọ̀ mi mo dẹ̀ kọ́ níṣẹ́ yẹn for good 19 years ní fi kọ́.
Kí lè rí sọ ní ìwà Alhaja Gawat?
Àdùkẹ́ ọmọ tó dáa ni o, àpáàtì tó dáa, gbogbo èèyàn pátá ń fẹ́ ní gbogbo ayé yìí tó bá ti wá bá Dùkẹ́ fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ ó máa ṣèrànlọ́wọ́ yẹn fún wọn.
Okay sà. So kí ẹ máa rántí wọn sà lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó lọ?
Àdúrà ni màá fi rántí ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run má dalé ẹrù, Ọlọ́run kó dá àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ sí.
Ẹ ṣé sà.
Iṣẹ́ yín dí ọkọ ni àwọn láti ṣàdúrà fún yín. Ẹ̀ ń propagate Islam. Ṣẹ́yìn ń ṣe blogger tó máa ń béèrè kúgbè tó máa ń kọ́ọ̀tì àwọn àfà pé mistake àwọn àfà lẹ́yìn rí. Ẹ bá mi gbé sẹ́yọ̀dà àwọn náà, àwọn díọ̀nù Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ẹ yọ díẹ̀ máa gùn ké sí. Ọmọdé ni gbogbo yín, Ọlọ́run sọ yín dàgbàlagbà. Ọ̀gá ilé iṣẹ́ náà Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ó fi ọlá pìtàn. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ó fọlá pìtàn. Gbogbo yín náà tẹ́ wá ń ṣiṣẹ́ lábẹ́ wọn yín náà Ọlọ́run sẹ́yìn náà dọ̀gá. Yọ yín lórí, ṣe yín lórí àlùbáríkà náà Muhammad. Yín ṣe yín náà àtẹ̀yìn náà kan fún yín àtẹ̀yìn àti ilé iṣẹ́ yín ẹ̀ ní wíìkì, ẹ̀ ní síìkì, ẹ̀ ní lo fẹ́ǹsìkì, ẹ̀ sì máa mìlíkì gbogbo ìran dáadáa tó ń ṣe láyé àtọkùnrin yín àtobìnrin lẹ́mọ̀ ṣe. Ibì kan nìyẹn ti ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ dáadáa, ibì kan nìyẹn ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ oríire. ẹ̀yin náà ó dọ̀gá ara yín dèyìn ara yín ọlá bisimilahi rahman rahim ẹ̀yin ò máa ṣàmì ni èmi lèmi ń ṣe fún yín ẹ̀yin ò máa ṣàmì gbogbo yín àtọ̀gá yín àti iléeṣẹ́ yín ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ wíìkì ẹ̀ ní fọlápìtà láyé yín bisimilahi rahman rahim inna a'tainaka al-kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shaniyaka huwal abtar wala hawla wala quwwata illa billah aliyyil azim.
Thank you very much.